Hi, welcome back to Happy Babby. So in this video, we are going to do an unboxing of Tesla, my first Model Y car toy by Radio Flyer. Initially, we planned to buy this toy when my baby turned 18 months, since this is for babies 18 months and up. But when we saw that the red Tesla Model Y was on sale, we took advantage of the price drop and purchased it immediately.
Alright, so we're going to unbox the Tesla, my first Model Y, ride-on car toy. As you notice, the box is damaged over here from the shipping, so hopefully the actual car is not. Let's take a look at it. Some tools, a manual, and more information. There it is, look at that. Alright, next I'll put it together. Alright, so in the package we got the manual, we have a steering wheel, we have something else. We've got a nut and bolt and some batteries, as well as the main car itself. Now I'll put it together. Okay, let's turn it upside down, and then we put this bar in here. Make sure to align this with that so that the wheels can turn. And then we'll turn it around. Alright, so the steering wheel comes with batteries that you can insert. Now when you insert the batteries in the cover here, you need to take off the screw here to remove the cover. Once you do, there are two compartments for these batteries, AAA size, and make sure that you insert it butt first, otherwise it won't work. So both of them go in butt first like this. Alright, now with that, you get this nice horn sound when you press horn. But if you don't like it or it gets annoying, you can just remove the batteries in order to disable the horn sound. Steering wheel goes on here. Then we have to make sure to put the nut inside here.
And that's it! There were only a few parts and it was easy to assemble. This video is just the unboxing. The full review will be coming soon, so watch out for it. That's it for now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!